Hi everyone. Thank you for coming to this event. My name is Jimi. I'm a Web3 account manager at Google Cloud, and I closely working with Web2 companies who wanted to adopt Web3 blockchain services, and as well as Web3 native companies based in Korea. And I offer a lot of things what Google Cloud offers. For example, cloud infrastructure like data, AI, and infrastructure, storage network, everything you need to build your application. And we do have Web3 specific offerings, and we make a lot of global strategic partnership as well. So today I'm going to talk about Google Cloud vision for Web3 and AI synergy. So I would like to cover what we are doing in Web3 space and our Web3 offerings and Google's AI stack and AI-powered Web3 use cases. I'm going to show you a demo. And lastly, I wanted to talk about the partnership with Google Cloud. So before I dive into the presentation, I wanted to share a video which is Gemini Enterprise. I think some of you might heard Gemini Enterprise if you are interested in AI. But Gemini Enterprise has been released a few weeks ago, and it will enhance the productivity for employees and developers within the organization. And it can connect with the first party of Google product like Gmail and Google Drive and Spreadsheet and so on. And plus, it can connect with third-party connectors like Jira, Slack, and so much more. So you can make and integrate into data sets, and then you can make your AI chatbot.
Introducing Gemini Enterprise. Gemini Enterprise is an AI-powered conversational platform designed to bring the full power of Google AI to every employee for every workflow. It's built with Google's most advanced Gemini models. It enables you to chat with your company's documents, data, and applications, gives you the tool to build and deploy AI agents, including a suite of pre-built agents, and is grounded in your company's information and your personal context at work. We think about Gemini Enterprise as the new front door for AI in the workplace.
Yeah, so move on to next one. So it's our mission statement that Google Cloud wanted to make builders and developers adopt Web3 products by us providing efficient and reliable and secure blockchain infrastructure. And Google wants to combine those efforts with the community and push Web3 adoption together. So for those who are wondering what we are actually doing in this space, here's our journey. We started Web3 business from 2018. So we publicly opened up the indexing blockchain data into BigQuery, which is a data warehouse. And now we support more than 39 different chains. And in 2020, we joined the Hedera Governing Council, began offering nodes. We remain an active validator today. And in 2020, we set up the Web3 team globally, and we also launched blockchain services called Blockchain Node Engine and other blockchain services. And also, we established major partnerships with Coinbase, Solana, and Polygon. And we recently partnership with Polyhedra for GK as a service and become a Aptos validator as well. And now we are participating in the developing stablecoin and agentic payments. So a lot of Google, we do contribute to the Web3. So for example, Google Labs focus on deep research into blockchain technology and GK as a service. And these cutting edge findings are then commercialized through Google Cloud. So we provide the enterprise-grade solutions. And Capital G and GV team, we do make a strategy investment in promising Web3 leaders like Fireblocks and Yuga Labs. So if you think you are interested in talking and more discussion, you wanted to have a discussion on the investment or partnership, please do reach out to me. And I'm going to touch on Web3 offerings. So we have basically 3 main pillars to support Web3 companies. The first one is cloud infrastructure. So we offer the same global scale infrastructure that powers YouTube and Gmail to our B2B customers, from GPU, TPU, storage network, data, and AI to build your application. And to go to the second one is Web3 product integrations. We are focusing on enhancing the developer experience through specialized Web3 tools. First one is testnet faucets. We provide testnet tokens to help developers to build and test the application across various platforms. Currently, we are supporting Ethereum, Story, Mantra, Injective, PYUSD, and Movement, and so much more to come. And we also provide the blockchain datasets through BigQuery. So you can access and index public datasets for over 39 major chains, including Solana, Sui, and Ethereum, using simple SQL. And we do provide RPC endpoints. Currently, we currently available Ethereum, but we are expanding Polygon, Solana, and other L1, L2 chains in the future. And most importantly, AI for Web3. So we support AI-based code generations for smart contract development and agentic payment solutions. And the last one is strategic GTM partnership. So we don't just provide tech, but we wanted to make a strategic partnership to make you scale your businesses and mindshare. So if you wanted to onboard globally, I do help GTM through our partnership. The next one is we recently announced the launch of Universal Ledger, which is called Gcool. It's a managed layer 1 platform designed to unify fragmented financial markets to power the next generation of payment systems. So we aim to eliminate the high cost, low speed, and market fragmentation. So our key value here is that Planet Scale DLT, which means that guarantee the performance at Google scale. And it originally architected future-ready solutions, like it can connect with AI and data platform and DID in the future. And we also use familiar money, which means that we utilize commercial bank money and reserve-backed money. And the developers can write smart contracts in Python. And last one, we don't do the competition with the financial institutions. We just provide our technology. So we wanted to stay neutral as possible. So those are compelling use cases. So first one is cross-border payments. So we want Gcool as a WhatsApp moment for money, meaning that we wanted to enable businesses to handle payments with global partners in second 24/7. And the next one is liquidity and settlement. So we facilitate the tokenization of traditional financial assets, for example, treasuries and MMFs, to move beyond the restrictive T+2 cycle. And account-to-account payment for retailers. So by reducing fees, the retailers will get the profit, and it will go high valuation, and the stock price can be changed. And the last one is agentic payment. So AI for services is huge market. So it's a new standard, and the legacy rates are too slow and rigid to handle this real time. So we think agentic payments is the future of how AI works in the commerce areas. And you can check out those solutions in the Web3 portal. You can Googling Google Cloud Web3 portal. You can check out everything I talked about, and you can check out the training session or the creative programs, and you can find out the events as well. Now I'm going to talk about Google's AI. So we're the only hyperscaler to provide end-to-end AI platform. From the bottom, we have an AI infrastructure. We are providing GPU, TPU for training, inferencing, and prediction. And the next one is the data. We have a BigQuery, which is a data warehouse. It can be connect with AI really easily. And we do have our own models. As everybody knows, we have a Gemini, we have a Nano Bananas, all sorts of multimodal modalities. And for enterprise companies, we do provide AI platform, which is called Vertex AI. It's an end-to-end AI, AI solutions that you can try on. And the last one is agents and application. So whether you're a developer or non-developer, you can choose your own technical stack and choose your own tools according to your technical stack. Next one is AI and Web3 landscape. So on the right side, AI for Web3, it's very obvious that productivity enhanced through AI, and CX and AX will innovate, and KYC and AML compliances. And on the left side, Web3 for AI, so GPU, DeepIn, decentralization of data pipeline. In the middle, in the intersection, AI and Web3, we think crypto agentic is our future. So I'm going to touch on ADK, A2A, AP2, which is an open protocol. So before I talk about the open protocols that I just talked about, I wanted to touch on agentic payments, which AI meets Web3. So currently the pain points is the internet lacks an open programmable payment standard. So I think stablecoins are the perfect payment rails for AI agents. And Google provides the intelligent like AI, whereas Web3 provides the economic rails. So why protocols are pursuing agentic commerce? To stay competitive, every protocol needs AI strategy. And also, most stablecoin used today is just a speculation. Agentic commerce creates real volume. When millions of agents pay for APIs and compute powers using stablecoin, it becomes actual commerce. And lastly, humans are pretty slow, but AI agents are power users that transact 24/7. So which means that there will be generate massive transaction fees. So Google Cloud is focusing on expanding the agent ecosystem as a top priority pillars. So we have three kind of open framework. First one is ADK, which is a build multi-agent. You can build multi-agent solutions. And the next one is A2A, is that it's also open standard for collaboration between agents. And the AP2 is a payment protocol, is an open protocol to handle agentic payments. So what is a crypto agent? So I wanted to touch on the definition. The crypto agent is an AI-powered program designed to execute tasks on the blockchain. So it can be standalone agents, like for example, swap assets, buy NFTs, send crypto, deploy vaults, bridging assets across chains, or it could be collaborative multi-agents can work together to achieve more complex goals, such as analyzing DeFi protocols to find the best yield strategy to apply it. So I want to share a simple example. So the user input as find the best yield for 10 Ethereum. So agents understand the intent. and then it will create a plan, and then it executes it on chain. It's pretty simple. And I wanted to go over AP2, which is AI Agent Payment Protocol. The specification is first one, payment agnostic, which means that it routes, if you wanted to pay credit card or legacy payments, it goes to the legacy rails. But if you wanted to pay like crypto or the stablecoin, it goes to X402, the crypto rails. And instant crypto execution. For on-chain transaction, AP2 integrates with Coinbase X402 rail to immediate settlement. So A2A is the communication, and AP2 is the authorization, and X402 is the execution. And of course, we are actively engaged in a core Web3 ecosystem. We have a lot of partnership. They are co-building with us, and HN is the only Korea company who involved this partnership. And most important thing is number 4. Agent can only transact with specific user-signed condition, ensuring user maintains full control. So I'm going to show you the demo later on. And lastly, Universal Commerce Protocol. So every platform has a different API standards, creating high cost and technical difficulties. To solve this, we introduced Universal Commerce Protocol. While if you think AP2 as an agent wallet, UCP is integration and seamless process of e-commerce process. So from product discovery, cart, identity, checkout, order management. So agents no longer need to learn individual APIs for every retailer. Just using single UCP standard, they can instantly interact with thousands of merchants. So in summary, UCP provides the process, AP2 provides the payment. I want to give you an example to understand easily. So it's a Web3 gaming example. So the user input the prompt, buy me the cheapest level 50 shields. So the AI agent get the request and scan the real time of external marketplace to find the best price. And it comes to UCP layer here. It will execute bridging and swapping after verifying users' on-chain wallet permissions. And the item instantly generated in the game inventory. So now move on to demo AI-powered Web3 use cases. Before I show you a demo, I want to explain about how to build Web3 AI agents with Google Cloud. So some of you might wondering how to make a enterprise-grade agentic solutions. So there is 2 parts you can build. If you are non-developer or you wanted to have a rapid prototyping or testing before you launching your application, you can use Vertex AI agent builder. So it's best for no-code, low-code conversational agents, and it's very easy to integrate with Google Search websites and local files. And the path B is custom architecture. It's more for developers who wanted to use frameworks like ADK, LangGraph, or Crew AI. And you can access the state-of-the-art models like Gemini 3 via Vertex AI. So I'm going to skip for the technical side. So if you see the bottom, how the Web3 agent workflow, if you input the natural language, the AI and Gemini will reasoning and understanding the request. And you will find the tool used, for example, DEX swaps and social post using MCP server, and then it goes to the settlement, crypto wallet. So I'm going to show you a demo, which is an AP2 with X42 by Binance. It's a crypto payment demo. I'm going to explain the process from 1 to 5. So basically, user request tells the AI agent what to do. And the second one is agent uses the intelligence to find the best way to execute the request on blockchain. And the agent builds a complete but unassigned transaction. And then the transaction hands over to the user's wallet application, and the user approves, and it will execute the action. So.
Hi there. Welcome to the demonstration of the agent. Call in action. The user expresses shopping intent in natural language. Google Cloud Gemini models on Vertex AI translate this language into an actionable shopping intent for the system. The system searches products, leveraging Google Cloud Vertex AI search to intelligently retrieve and rank the relevant product data. Product options are displayed via native interactive cards. This low-code functionality is enabled by the Google Cloud Agent Development Kit. Moving to payment, the system discovers and presents available Web3 payment services to the user via the MCP standard. This is the core AP2 application. The Binance Pay MCP implements the AP2 standard through a rigorous mandate-based security architecture. The process shows sequential statuses: preparing, signing, and sending mandate. The digital signature ensures payment trustworthiness. Viewing transaction details leads to a Blockchain Explorer view, demonstrating verification of transaction finality using immutable on-chain data. The Agent Payments Protocol is designed to enable secure and seamless payments across the AI agent economy.
And then partnership with Google Cloud. So a lot of protocols, exchanges, especially in Korea, and digital asset services partners with us. And I wanted to introduce Web3 Startup Cloud Program. If you are equity funded or token NFT raise, or you are up to and including Series A or no prior Google program participation, you are eligible to apply for this program. So you'll get 100K USD for first year, and then you will get 20% of usage of Google Cloud in the second year, up to 100K as well. And I wanted to wrap up this presentation. So now we are entering Agentic era, and we wanted to help developers to make their solution very easily with our solution providing by Google. We offer the cloud infrastructure, Web3 offerings, and we do a partnership to help your go-to-market. So if you're interested in having a strategy partnership with us, please do reach out to me. And if you wanted to use Google Cloud product or solution, but you don't know how to use, I can do the ideation and validation of technical side, and then we do the prototype together, and we help develop your service on top of Google Cloud, and we support service launch. And thank you for listening. That's all for my presentation. Hope we can make a good collaboration in the future. Thank you.